morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. I do hope all of you are staying safe, are staying healthy, and most importantly, are enjoying life to the fullest. Yes, sir. We are here for another one of your requests, and of course, you know by now, if you ask for something, you are 100% are going to get it. What am I saying, man? But anyways, we are talking about Jamrud Ningrat sounds from the corner live number 20. I have no idea which country this is from, but you guys have been requesting for this, and you know that I know that your requests are always on point. So I'm confident that this is going to be fantastic for real. And yes, for some of you who might be saying that I should do a research prior to reacting to something new, I get your point, but in my defense as well, I want to get into something, especially when it's something that's really new to the channel. I want to go into it blindly, with not knowing anything, with not reading anything or not seeing anything of the artist, so as not to influence my first impression. So guys, I hope you do understand that. But anyways, before we dive into this one, I urge you to please do not forget to support the artists that we react to. I'll be linking their official accounts on the description box below, as well as the link of the video that we are about to see. So come on guys, let's go ahead and check this one out. Jamrud Ningrat. Let's see if these have like English subtitles. Okay, there it is. Are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3, let's play this. Come on. I have a feeling this is Indonesian. This is Indonesian, right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Matahari kamu gak jauh beda. Eta pakenannya silsilah golongan darah. Ningrat atau biar otumu senang, paklemu senang, budemu senang. Ikut aja cengar-cengir, mirip ajis di sawah. Mana, Bo? Bo Ajis?
Itu pelecehan, masa mirip Ajis di sawah?
Ajis di sawah. Masalahnya yang ngisi suara kerbaunya Ajis.
Oh ya?
Ayo, Bo.
Oh.
Nah,
Gak mirip kan? Gak mirip kan? Mirip. Wah ya udah toh, bikin lagu kebo lagi aja.
Oke, Bo.
Oke, suaranya ya.
Ini apa terukan dunia wayang, ngomong dan lebih sekarang malah ketawa.
Oke, mana ketawanya?
Wow, nice voice.
Dulu nama Sinta Segang, si Madonna, dulu kan terkasa segala satu foto. Aku ingin bercinta dengan kamu sendiri, gak perlu seanu, seitu. Pasti ngapelku gak pernah romantis. Mana otumu, paklanmu, budemu, lembamu. Beli lagu negeri sombong, wani-wani di mata anakku. Lebih itu wes rambutnya dawa, badannya tatoan, pakaiannya serabut. Dasar wong edan, edan.
Okay, I had no time.
Dulu netek dari segang, netek toko, dulu di sekir segang, main di
one more time. I love guitar solos, by the way. God, that was it. No. That was it.
Ternyata benar
No.
belum ngantuk. Baru percaya.
No. I was like, no, you can't end it like that because I wanted some more. I needed some more, man. Wow, that was it's been quite a while since we last reacted to anything rock and roll, right? And I miss it. I can't even like believe myself I'm saying this, that I miss rock and roll, because never in my wildest dream would I have imagined me enjoying the genre of rock and roll, but here I am missing it. Oh man. And guys, I do have to thank you all for really giving me the opportunity to really get to know the genre and loving it for that matter. And wow, this is also one heck of an artist. Why is this just the first time I've heard of them? They seem to be like been in the industry for quite a while, if I'm not mistaken, right? They do appear like they've been in the industry for quite a number of years, if I'm not mistaken. And please do make more requests of them. They're so dope. I want to shout out Sounds from the Corner for a very the upload, the music, the video, everything is so crystal clear. The audio, most especially, is so wonderfully like done. Wow, this is absolutely A+. This is great. This is amazing. No kidding whatsoever. I did enjoy this so much, and I am so curious, why haven't you been requesting for these men right here? I think they do have a lot of songs, if I'm not mistaken, but if I'm wrong, forgive moi, but if I'm correct, please do make more requests of them. Write it down please on the comment section below. And with that, guys, I hope you did enjoy this. I hope to see you all next time. You guys take care. Terima kasih.